quick thinking by a large group of Boy Scouts helped save them from dangerous winds over the weekend. Take a look. It's drone footage to start of a scout camp in London Mills. And as that weather moved in Friday night, they were locked into weather reports and radar on a laptop computer. The director says that's why all the 200 people who were here at the time got into a safe building 20 minutes before the storm hit, dropping trees onto their tents.
We had some advance notice that we were going to have some type of nasty weather. It was all around us. The Wi-Fi enables us to run the computerized weather program. It allows an extremely real-time look at the weather, but you can't do it without a good internet signal. We could get slower speeds, but you don't get the accuracy, you don't get the capability of switching between the various looks at a storm that you can get with a program such as this, and you can't run a program such as this without really high-speed internet. So with the service we have now, I'm right on the money with things that are coming out from the National Weather Service. And the donors, such as came forward to ISR this year, made this camp a safe camp. We had people in shelter 20 minutes before the storm hit. And then when we went back out and surveyed the camp, if that had not have happened, we would have had fatalities. There's no doubt in anybody's mind if you drive around the camp and look at the damage that was done.